Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekkalaiva. Hi children, in the last class we saw common noun and proper noun. In this class we are going to learn singular noun and plural noun. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes. Singular and plural nouns. A singular noun refers to only one person, place, or thing, or animal. Okay. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, or thing. A singular noun names one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. For example, one person means it may be a policeman, a teacher, a soldier, a class teacher, or a principal. So only one person means it comes under singular noun. Okay. If I'm telling one thing, a table, okay, a desk, a mobile phone. If I'm talking about only one thing, it comes under singular noun. We can add a or an before a singular noun. Okay. One place, it may be a park or shop or hotel. Okay. So any place it may be, but we should add one or a or an before the place, and it comes under singular noun. When the word is a singular noun and begins with a consonant, we use one or a before it. Okay, children, before moving to the next one, you know what do you mean by consonant? Yes, can anyone tell me? Yes, consonant is nothing but other than vowels. Okay, for example, A, E, I, O, U is vowels. Other than A, E, I, O, U, we call that as consonants. Okay, other than vowels. Okay, we call it as consonants. Okay, next, vowel. What do you mean by vowel? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Other than A, E, I, O, U, we called it as consonants. Okay, and before consonant, we use one or a. Okay, we use one or a. And before vowel sound, we'll use one or an. For example, one tree. We can say one tree or a tree. One car or a car. Okay. One pencil or a pencil. One table or a table. But when the word is a singular noun and it begins with a vowel, we use one or an before it. For example, orange. Orange means what sound is that? Vowel sound, no? Orange. Ink pot. What sound? What letter you are saying? Ink, ink. Orange. Vowel sound, no? Vowel letter. So before vowel sound, what we add? An or one. Okay, one orange, or you can say an orange. One ink pot or an ink pot, or an heart, an honest. Okay. Okay, children, we'll move to the next one. You understood this? Yes. Plural nouns. When we can count the items and there are more than one, we use the plural form. See here, more than one bun. How many buns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buns. So more than one, we call that as plural nouns. How many zebras are here? 3 zebras. 2 buses. Okay. 2 ants. 4 kites, or these words comes under plural nouns. One at one kite comes under singular noun. You understood? Yes. When a singular noun ends with a consonant and y, we drop the letter y and add ies to change it to a plural noun. Cherry. Cherry is a singular noun, one cherry. Okay, we are speaking about one cherry and it ends with y. So we drop the letter y and add ies. Like that, can you tell me another word? Yes. Baby. You can say baby, no? baby. Okay. B-A-B-Y, baby. What we can write in there for that? We have to drop Y. No. So what will be coming? Instead of Y, IES we should add babies. Okay. Puppies, stories, like that. Okay. You understood? When a singular noun ends with a consonant and Y, we drop the letter Y and we add IES. Okay. Yes. Shall we move to the next one? When a word ends in F or FE, we put the letter V in place of F or FE and add ES. For example, one calf, six calves, F. It ends with F, no? See, you can see here, no? What is the last letter, ma? F. Yes. So, if it ends with F, what will write? BES we should add. If it ends with FE, what we should add? BES. Okay. Six calves, two knives. Like that, what you can say? Yes. One knife, two knives. If it is one knife is a singular and two knives is plural. These are exceptional case. Okay. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Scarf, scarves. Dwarf, dwarfs. Okay, here alone we are adding BES also. Dwarf, dwarfs. Understood? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Yes. Okay. Regular and irregular plurals. There are two kinds of plurals, regular and irregular plurals. Okay. Plurals are of two kinds, regular and irregular. Nouns that form plurals by adding s or es are called regular plurals. However, some nouns form plurals by changing their spelling. They are called irregular plurals. Shall we see that now? First, we are going to see regular plurals. Regular plural nouns. We can change a singular noun to a plural noun by adding s. See here, cow, cows. We are adding only yes. No. Then this comes under regular plural. Here, friend, friends. Okay. Here also we are adding only yes. So this comes under regular plural. Okay. We add es to change singular nouns that end with s, ss, ch, sh, x and o to regular plural nouns. For example, watch. What is the last letter, ma? Ch, no? It ends with ch. Then what we have to add? Es. Bus. It ends, the last letter is yes. So what we add? Es. You understood? When a singular noun ends with F or FE, we replace F or FE with V and add ES to change it to a plural noun. For example, knife, knives. See here the letters, the word end with FE. So we are adding VES. And here also we are adding VES, leaf, leaves. Okay, understood? Yes. Once again. Yes. Okay, here also we can see F. Leaf, leaves. Okay, when a word ends with the consonant followed by Y, replace the Y with I and add ES. Cry. Here what is the last letter? Y. So, what we have to do? We have to drop Y and we have to add IES. And body, we have to drop Y and add IES. So when a word ends with a consonant followed by Y, replace the Y with I and add ES. You understood? And when a singular noun ends with F or FE, we replace with V and add ES to change it to a plural noun. Some words do not follow the above rule. For example, roof, roofs, chief, chiefs, giraffe, giraffes. And some words can end with both VES or S. Scarves, dwarfs, and kerchiefs. Okay, we already seen this, no? Here is a table with examples to show regular plurals. Okay, these are the regular plurals. You just mug up this tabular column, okay? By understanding the meaning, you can do that, okay? See, type of nouns. Most nouns, girl, doctor, town, ends with S, okay? Nouns ending with S, SS, SH, CH, X, O, all this end with ES. You can see the word, no? Yes, ES. Here also ES. ES. Okay, here last letter is O. When it end with O, we should add ES. When it end with SH, we should add ES. SS. ES. Here we are adding only S. Okay. Then nouns ending with Y. Baby, babies. See, already we have seen this Y. Means we should remove the Y and we should add IES. Okay. Yes. Okay. Here also Y. Then story Y. What we are adding here? IES. Okay. Here also IES. Nouns ending with F, FE except dwarf and dwarfs. What we are adding? VES. See here? VES you can see, no? VES. Here also VES. Wives. VES. Okay? And here the letter end with F. And here FE. So nouns ending with F and FE, always we'll remove F and FE and we add VES. Okay? VES. Yes. Irregular plurals. Now listen to this. Some nouns have a different form in the plural. They have irregular plurals. Okay? Food, feed. See here in this we did not add S or ES or VES or IES. But instead we changed the spelling. Here we changed the O. Vowel O is there, no? We changed it as EE. Vowels changed, no? Child. We added children. REN. Man. Here A. The vowel A changed as E. Okay. And women. A changed as E. These are irregular. Okay. And tooth. Double O is there, no? The vowel changed as double E. Okay. Then ox we added oxen en. Mouse fully we have changed. Okay. You understood? Food, feet, child, children, man, men, women, women, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, ox, oxen. Okay, these are irregular plurals because we did not add S or ES to this. Okay. Some singular nouns remain the same when they become, yes, they remain same when they become plural also. For example, deer, deer. In the plural noun also, what you are saying? Deer only. We did not change any spelling. We did not add ES or we did not add S, IES, VES. No, it remains same in the plural. See here, deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Bison, bison. Aircraft, aircraft. But why we have placed a star near the fish? Because we can say fishes or fish. Two things are correct. Fishes is also used as a plural of fish. We can say fishes or fish. The plural of fishes or fish. Okay, understood? It remains stays. Other words remain same, no? In the plural noun. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Bison, bison. Aircraft, aircraft. Okay. Words used in the plural. Two groups of nouns are used in the plural. Okay. For example, clothes like trousers with two legs. Tools like scissors with two parts. These, these nouns always act as a plural noun. Okay. We don't have a singular noun for this because we are having two group and that is two legs. Okay, for trouser, and scissors means two parts. Jeans, two legs. Pyjamas, we are having two legs. Shorts, two legs. So always these nouns comes under plural form. Okay. Singular and plural form will be the same for these nouns. Okay. Glasses or spectacles. Trousers, trousers. Jeans, jeans. Scissors, scissors. Pyjamas, pyjamas. Shorts, shorts. It remains same, no? Yes. Here is a table with the examples to show irregular plurals. Okay, nouns that change vowels in the plural form. You can see here, no? Irregular plural. Man, men. Goose, geese. Food, feet. And nouns that change their form completely in the plural. Children, oxen, mice. And which remain nouns which remain same in the singular and plural. Sheep, deer. Okay. And nouns that have only one plural. That is only plural forms. Scissors, binoculars, glasses, trousers. Okay. Nouns that have only singular forms. News, mathematics, measles. All these are only we have singular forms. We don't have plural forms. For some nouns that end in O, we add only S. These are exceptional case. Piano, pianos. Here also the word ends with O, but we did not add ES. For example, buffalo, O, but we add ES to that. But here we are not adding ES because these are all exceptional. Okay. These words will not follow that grammar rule. Okay. Photo, photos. Gecko, geckos. And for some nouns that end in O, we add es. Potatoes, tomatoes, eros, echoes. For some nouns that end in f or fe, we add only s. Chiefs, roofs, saves. Okay. Children, you understood all these things? Okay. Thank you, children.